This break's brought to you by Blowout Cards. This is going to be the final box out of the case of 08 Exquisite football. Brought to you by Blowout Cards. www.blowoutcards.com for all your sports and non-sports needs. So far it hasn't been a great case, but we'll see how this last box goes. Alright, let's get this pack first. Lots of good rookies in here. Obviously, the Tiger Woods is whatever is on everyone's mind. So, first base is Lofa Tapatu, 49/75 from the Seahawks. Rookie signatures patch, John David Booty. Card number 63/75. Alright, good. Got an LT Super Swatch autograph, numbered 4/4. It's another good pull. Ken Stabler, 22/35. Looks like a quad, rare materials. Really nice. Got a Matt Ryan Super Swatch, 21/50. Nice card. And the last, man, this card's got a lot of damage on the top of it. Keenan Bruton rookie signatures for the Rams, 16/30. And then I got an Exquisite Immortals, Frank Tarkington, Minnesota Vikings, number 12/45. 12/45. Alright, that's it for this case. Again, blowoutcards.com for all your sports and non-sports needs. www.blowoutcards.com.